Well, we're making a new product today.
Tell me about it.
We're making necklaces, diamond painting necklaces.
We designed these from scratch. Don't be making fun of them, okay? It can only get better from here. Let's see what we got.
Well, first up, we got our wolf one. We got our sunflower. Ooh, that no good. Sunflower. We got third design. I don't know what you'd exactly call this, but
I love this. We have no tape on here, no glue. We're going to try something different today. We'll see how it goes. I guess you just put the drills on while the glue is still wet, and then it dries permanently. So I wish I had this when I did these. Have you ever done diamond painting jewelry? Earrings or necklaces or bracelets? If you have done any, please tell us in the comments. Okay, have you ever done jewelry?
nope, never have.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
We didn't have any idea what we were doing. We just jumped right in. We put a thin layer of glue, and I was so surprised how well the drills stuck. You can see here I'm not having any trouble. I just put the drill right on the wet glue and it holds it down. I'm able to go nice and fast. You can see through the glue. It's perfectly clear, so you can see exactly where you're placing the drill. But y'all know I'm not picky. I'm really not. Some of you guys have perfectly straight drills. That's not me. I wonder if Avery gets annoyed because his drills are perfectly straight and mine are just like all over the place. This one did turn out to be my favorite. After the sunflower, these were so easy. We knew exactly what we were doing. What do you think? Avery loves wolves. He has several pieces of wolf jewelry already. I don't think he's gonna wear this, but he may turn it into a keychain. This is the only thing bad I can say about this glue. When you set it down, it just keeps oozing and oozing and oozing out of the tube. Is there a way to prevent this? What do you guys do?
All right, we're all done. And we got these sunflower and this one, which is so cool. Okay, let's put them on. I have a big head. I have to wear like an extra large motorcycle helmet.
You definitely made it a little tight.
Try it.
I tried it. You want me to break the string?
Is the string too short for you? Okay.
And then I laughed and I laughed and I had a giggling fit. And this always happens when we're recording. Poor Avery.
Okay. There. Okay, we definitely had some issues. What would you say our biggest issue was?
The glue falling out all over the place.
Oh my gosh. You guys, is there a way to prevent the glue just gushing out? Because we would squeeze it and then the glue would just keep coming out. So I don't know. If you got any tips, put it down in the description, please. You know, we were putting the glue on and then immediately putting drills on. How'd that go?
Wasn't too bad. Once it got a little dry, it worked more like your regular diamond paintings.
Yeah, it gets a little tacky, but it didn't bother me either way. you were able to move the drills into place, kind of slide them into place. Would you wear this? Or would you wear that? Would you wear this one? I think with some black leggings and, you know, a nice t-shirt, this would look awesome. Or an earring. They're pretty light. I don't know if they're that light. I think it would make your ears hang low. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you chime in a knot? Can you chime in a bow?
It's Avery's turn to have a giggling fit.
Is there another version I don't know about?
Do you even realize what you said?
No. Avery took me to McDonald's for a frappe, so I'm a little... Woo. I really enjoyed this project. Did you enjoy it, Avery?
Yeah, it was pretty nice.
We learned a lot of things. We're going to keep coming out with some more jewelry designs. If you guys have any ideas for jewelry, please let us know. We are more than happy to make whatever you suggest. Did we do a sticker yet?
No, we haven't. I was looking for it. I can't find it. Got a snowman today. We got snowman.
Check that out, guys. Can you believe how many stickers we're getting? Love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.